If you're looking for a quick, easy dinner idea, this shrimp and crab fried rice is what you need. It's easy, it's delicious, packed with flavor. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, to begin, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil in my skillet. All right, now we're going to add in our eggs. I'm going to pour that in just like so. And we're going to lightly season the eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper, okay? Now we're just gonna scramble the egg very lightly, something like this, okay? All right, now we're going to remove it, set it aside. This dinner is so quick and easy. You might already have these ingredients in your fridge right now. Now we're going to add a little bit more oil so we can cook our shrimp and crab. Now to the same skillet, I'm going in with my shrimp. These are small shrimp, so you can either season them before you add them on the skillet, or you can season them afterwards. So that's what I'm doing. They're super small shrimp, and I don't want to overcook them either. I'm going to mix them around just like this. A little bit more seasoning. And I'm using my golden base seasoning, and as well as a little tad bit of my Cajun Crush seasoning that you can find on islandvibecooking.com. Just give it a quick mix, just like so. And once you see that they turning pink, that means you're done, okay? The whole entire shrimp is turning pink. That's when, okay, it's time to remove them. The tail, usually the first part of the shrimp that kind of turn pink, but I'm just gonna toss them around like this. They're perfect for fried rice. That way I don't have to cut them. I don't have to do nothing. Every bite, every spoonful of that fried rice will have a little bit of shrimp in there. And this is, if you watched my last video, this is the leftover ingredients. Nothing waste over here, okay? And I'm going to remove them right now. Smells amazing. That Cajun seasoning, you can see the thyme, the parsley in there. Smells amazing. Remove them so they don't overcook. Once you're done, you should have something like this. We're going to set it aside for now. Now I'm going to add my crab. Let's add a little bit more oil. Add the crab in. These are crab claw. You don't want to, I'm not going to stir it too much. Season very lightly with the same seasoning. I'm going to mix it up just like so. Now, these are cooked already, obviously. Don't know if you guys know that already, but I'm just going to lightly mix it up. Add a little bit more of that seasoning. You don't want to overdo it because we're going to add a lot of sauces in here. You don't want to overdo it, like I said. And just like that, my crab is done. Okay? Just like that. You can taste it for flavor, but trust me on this. Going to remove it, set it on the side of the shrimp. Just like so. And there you go. You have your crab and your shrimp. Going to set that aside for now. In the same skillet, more oil. That's why it's called fried rice. We're gonna fry a lot of things. We're gonna go in with our mixed veggies. Don't want to add water to it. Fry that for a little bit. You still want some crunch on there, but now let me add my garlic. I don't want any water to be in there. I want that to fry. Let the garlic actually fry for a little bit. Now we're going in with our rice. I like to kind of use my hands, make sure it's clean. That way we can break the clump. Turn your heat down for a little bit. A little bit more oil, so that way that rice can really fry. And I'm using 1 day old And I'm using 1 day old rice. I cooked it last night, put it in the fridge. It'll be less sticky, okay? And if you don't have 1 day old rice, you can make the rice the same day. Just put it in the freezer for about like 30 minutes. Now this is where all the flavor, the authentic flavor come from. We're gonna go in with a little bit soy sauce, a little bit of hoisin sauce. Yes, yes. Oyster sauce. Mix it up together. And you cannot skip out on this one. Y'all see it? The sesame seed oil. This really gives it that Chinese authentic takeout flavor. Mix it up together. A little bit of oil so it can kind of fry. Looking good. Looking real good. Now I'm going to add in the egg. I like to kind of chop it up before I add it. Just like this. Now I'm going to add the egg right in. Mix it up together. Gonna come out looking so good and smelling amazing. Now, of course, we gotta season this as well. The same seasoning. Go ahead and add your seasoning in. Pepper and a little bit of the golden bay seasoning, very lightly. And next, I have some onion that I'm going to add in for that crunch. And some green onion as well, okay? Mix it up. Looking real good. Smelling real good. And also, once everything is nicely combined, we're gonna add the shrimp and the crab. You don't wanna add it too early. All right, once you taste it, everything is good, go ahead and add your shrimp and your crab. Don't this looks absolutely flavorful. Oh yes, yes, yes. Packed with flavor. Extremely delicious. Smelling amazing. And just like that. This didn't even take me 30 minutes. I'm telling y'all, so quick. And there you go. You just made the most delicious fried rice right at home in less than 30 minutes. Now it's time to plate it. I don't know about you, but when I cook, this is the part that I look forward to. The taste test, okay? The eating portion. Let's give it a try, y'all. Oh, come on. A little piece of everything. The egg, the shrimp, the crab, the rice. Let's try it. It never fails. Every single time. Every single time. This is the most easiest dinner you could ever make for your family. So good, effortless, Under 30 minutes. I'm telling you, you can do it. This, under 30 minutes. I hope you guys try it. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so you can let me know, hey girl, we love this recipe. Thumbs up, okay? And also subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love for you to be part of the family. Hit that subscribe button for more recipes like this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.